How to lock elements in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your design. Then we are going to try lock this Canva logo. So what you need to do is right click on it, right click, and then there is option lock. And you get two options here. You can lock position only, or you can just lock. Lock position only, click on it. It means that your position is locked, but you can still flip it. So click flip, flip horizontal, or you can flip vertical. But you can't move, you can't change the position. If you want to just lock, click right click, lock, lock, and you can't do nothing about it. If you want to unlock, there's a small icon here, just click on unlock, and that's it. This is how can you unlock element. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you later. Have a nice day.